Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome to another video, and today we are going to talk about Sofi stock. Oh my goodness, I don't even know what to say anymore. This stock, this company is absolutely incredible. They have an incredible CEO, and there's just so many great things I could say about this company. So for those who don't know, I do own a position in Sofi. I've owned this stock for a while now. I have made a few videos about Sofi stock, but we got to talk about what just happened because Sofi did just report earnings and they absolutely blew their earnings out of the park. Now, what's so amazing about this company is very reliant on student loans. Student loans is a huge part of their business because they like to do things like refinancing and things like that for student loans. And we've essentially had student loans pause for almost 2 years now, and yet regardless of that major impact to their business, this company continues to beat estimates and continues to figure out ways to beat estimates on revenue and make money. I don't know how they're doing this. They are incredible. That is incredible. Student loans make up like almost 50% of their entire business. That is a huge part of their business that got taken away by the United States government, which obviously I'm okay with that because I don't want to pay my loans back. But regardless, it is absolutely remarkable that this company continues to beat estimates without student loans. So just imagine how well this company is going to do once student loans eventually come back, which they will. Eventually, we are going to have to pay student loans back. It's coming. So that'll be bad for borrowers like myself, but it'll be great for Sofi shareholders. So let's just go ahead and get right into these earnings. I mean, I don't even know where to begin. This is incredible. Here we go. Let's start at the top. Record GAAP and adjusted revenue for fourth quarter and full year 2021. Fourth quarter, $286 million GAAP revenue, up 67%. 280 million adjusted revenue, up 54% year over year. Fourth quarter adjusted EBITDA of 5 million positive for the sixth straight quarter. Here we go, another one. Record 523,000 quarterly new member adds, up 39%. Sequentially, a record 906,000 quarterly new product ads, up 51% sequentially. Like that's just incredible. This company is just killing it. They are just murdering it. I mean, good grief. So total revenue, here we go. This is in thousands. So we do 285,000 times 1,000. That gives you $285 million is about what they've made in their total net revenue. Adjusted net revenue, they're at about pretty much the same. They're at about $279 million in that as well. And they show you the change right here, 54%, 64% up here. In terms of net loss, of course, they're going to lose some money, not to be expected, 34% change. Okay, let's just go ahead and keep going. Consolidated results. I think we read that. Let's look at this. Sofi recorded a GAAP net loss of 110 million for the fourth quarter of 2021 and 483.9 million for the full year 2021. So it is important for you guys to understand that Sofi is still unprofitable. However, the rate that they're going, they're going to get profitable sooner than later for sure, at the rate that they're going. So let's look at member, product, and growth. Sofi added a record number of both members and products in absolute terms in the quarter and the year. That is absolutely outstanding. The Sofi Stadium affiliation, I'm sure you guys know, they have a stadium. We all saw it during the Super Bowl. The SoFi Stadium affiliation, together with successful integrated marketing and influencer campaigns, took brand recognition to new highs, which SoFi leveraged through better execution of its unique financial services productivity loop strategy. Okay. The 5 nationally televised NFL regular season games at SoFi Stadium were seen by an average of more than 22 million households per game. That's good for 110 million plus household impressions in total. This visibility helped to increase SoFi's unaided brand awareness by nearly 70% in 2021. They increased their brand awareness by 70% in 2021 just by having their 5 nationally televised regular season games at SoFi Stadium, which reached a new record in the fourth quarter. SoFi unaided brand awareness rose again in February 22nd, 2022, when an estimated 106 million people watch the Los Angeles Rams win the Super Bowl at home at SoFi Stadium. Man, these brand building strategies coupled with referral and cross-buy campaigns such as Refer the App, the SoFi Money Referral Program, the SoFi Money Personal Loan Bundle, and SoFi's Unique Rewards Program drove record new member and product additions. SoFi added approximately 523,000 new members in the fourth quarter. We already read that. This earnings is amazing. Total products, I think I read this already, but you can see the charts right here. Members, and they've got their products, and this chart looks amazing. Look at the chart. Look how it just gradually goes up, and it's just gone up and up and up in both their lending products and their members from Q4 of 2020 all the way now to Q4 of 2021. I mean, this company is just incredible. Here we go. Let's look at this. Let's look at some financials. In the financial services segment, total products increased by 155% year over year to 4.1 million from 1.6 million, driven primarily by growth in SoFi Invest and SoFi Money offerings. I mean, if you don't have this stock in your portfolio, I'm just going to pray for you. And if you're shorting this stock, you need to get drug tested. Anybody who's shorting this stock or is bearish on this stock, you need help. I'm just going to be honest. This company is absolutely incredible. Absolutely incredible. Lending products rose 18%. I think we read all of this already, so I'm just trying to figure out things that we haven't read. We kind of already went over their revenue. Total net revenue lending. Okay, so total net revenue lending. They're bringing in $213 million in lending revenue. Absolutely incredible. And I already know that they increased their guidance, but it just shows you how even more incredible this company is. They even increased their guidance, and they don't even have their main source of revenue. Crazy. Guidance and outlook for note. Management expects the incremental net interest income revenue from SoFi to only contribute nominally to fourth quarter 2022 results and prior to fully originating loans in SoFi Bank, which is currently expected in May 22. Okay, good. So May 2022, we can expect that bank to get its operations to begin. Oh, never mind. Wait a minute. When SoFi began operating SoFi Bank in February, it did not contribute any existing SoFi loans to SoFi Bank and initially capitalized SoFi Bank entirely with cash. Okay, there we go. Yeah, makes sense. Operations are still in transition to allow loan originations to occur from SoFi Bank. The transition is not expected to be fully complete until the end of May 2022. That's why I'm glad I read the entire thing, so it makes sense. So everything's not going to be 100% for sure. They're not going to complete the full transition until May of 2022, which is fine. This company is incredible. Management is rock stars. SoFi's guidance for the first quarter of 2022 incorporates the negative impact. Here we go. This is important. Incorporates the negative impact of the unexpected extension of the federal student loan payment moratorium to May 1st, 2022. You guys want my opinion? I think Biden's going to extend it again. You heard it here first. I think Biden's going to extend it again, but I could be wrong. Management estimates the negative impact to be approximately 30 to 35 million. Oh, let me say this. The reason I think Biden's going to extend it is because this is the year of the midterms, and I used to work in politics. I just know how this stuff goes. But anyway, approximately 30 to 35 million of revenue and 20 to 25 million of contribution profit in the first quarter, with the expectation that loan origination levels for the entire quarter will remain consistent with those of the first three quarters of 2021. Management expects to generate 280 million to 285 million of adjusted net revenue in the first quarter of 2022, up 30% to 32% year over year, and up modestly sequentially, and $0 to $5 million of adjusted EBITDA. And here we go. This is the very important part because, like I told you guys, that those student loans make up the bulk of their revenue, literally. So it's incredible they keep beating estimates. But here we go. Had the moratorium, the student loan moratorium, expired in January, management estimates that first quarter 2022 adjusted revenue would have been in the range of 310 to 320 million. That is incredible. And adjusted EBITDA would have been 20 to 30 million. For the full year 2022, management expects to grow adjusted net revenue 55% year over year to 1.57 billion and deliver adjusted EBITDA of 180 million. Several recent developments factor into the full year guidance. Oh, here we go. This is going to be interesting to say because I'm going to tell you guys what I think compared to what they think. So let's look at this. Management assumes the moratorium on federal student loan payments expires as currently contemplated on May 1st, 2022, and student loan refinance origination volume normalizes to pre-COVID levels partway through the second quarter and remains at those levels from that point through the remainder of 2022. Okay, I'm glad they said this because I do not agree with them. So they're assuming that it says first, management assumes the moratorium on federal student loan payments expires as currently contemplated. I don't know if they're saying that that's what they think or they're just saying if it were to happen. But either way, I can tell you right now, I do not see that happening. I think Biden's going to extend it again. So even though this is hurting their revenue, I think they should. They're probably saying this because obviously we have no idea what the future will predict, but they probably have to say this in their earnings report because who wants to hear bad news? You know, you want to hear optimism. So they're going to remain optimistic, but deep down, I think everybody kind of knows Biden's going to extend it. It just doesn't make sense. Second, management assumes SoFi Bank will begin contributing to SoFi's results more meaningfully in the second quarter of 2022. Okay, this is good. So that bank charter is going to contribute more to their results starting in the second quarter of 2022 rather than the first quarter. That's good. Because SoFi Bank was initially capitalized with cash from the balance sheet, not loans, SoFi will not begin to realize the lower cost of capital benefits of SoFi Bank until it can originate and fund loans in SoFi Bank. Okay. Management believes it will take until the second quarter of 2022 to build appropriate loan balances to see more than a nominal impact. All right. I think that's it. Oh, this is interesting. They're paying a crap ton of money in stock to their employees. Management currently forecasts stock-based compensation expense of 80 to 85 million for the first quarter of 2022 and 340 for the full year. Oh, well, you know, that's all going to upper management. That's it. Like 5 people are getting all of this money, but okay, whatever. I mean, they're making so much money. I don't care at this point, but I think that'll be it. I just wanted to go over a little bit of everything that's going on, but my overall thoughts is this is a company that everybody should own. I'm just going to tell the truth right here. I know they're unprofitable. I know they're risky. I know they're speculative. I get it. Blah, blah, blah. You know, I wouldn't load the entire boat. You know, I wouldn't make this more than like 10% of your entire portfolio. But if you want my honest opinion, I'm adding more money to SoFi. I'm not going to do it now. But when we get a bad red day, when this dies down and the stock goes back to normal and it consolidates somewhere, I'm going to start buying more because this is just too great of a company to miss out on. It really is. I just can't get over the fact that a company that is missing the main part of their revenue because of the government. Their main part of their revenue is student loans, and they're still beating earnings. That is just absolutely remarkable. So this is a great company. It really is. And also, for those who don't know, I have the SoFi app. I use their app. I like their app. I tried to use their app to get a loan for something. I didn't get it, but whatever. I still like the app. It's really easy to use. You can buy and trade stocks on there and things like that. You can also buy and trade crypto on there, but it is a great app. And so, yeah, I think that'll go ahead and conclude this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.